Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon MS Word, and today I'll be teaching you about spell check option, which is a wonderful option in MS Word, and it is available under review tab. So basically we used to work in home tab, but if you'll come in review tab, you will see the first option, this one, spelling and grammar. So what is spelling and grammar option? So Word has built-in dictionary. Actually in MS Word we have built-in dictionary and set of grammatical rules which checks the spelling and grammar of the text document. Okay. Incorrect spelt words are displayed with the single red wavy line. Means if spellings are wrong, then it is displayed with a single red wavy line. And if any grammatical errors are indicated, that means if any grammatical errors are present, then it is indicated with blue line. So I have given some examples. You could see this, like intentionally add just written these words in a wrong way, or I have typed incorrect words like copy, I have written e extra, so that it should be incorrect. Here also delete, again I have typed e two times, and spellings and text. So you could see red wavy lines at the bottom. That means these spellings are incorrect, and built-in dictionary of MS Word has indicated that these words are not present in the dictionary. So now how to correct them? So it's very simple. There are two ways. One is lengthy way and one is shortcut way. In a shortcut way, what you have to do, suppose this is written copy, you can right click it here and you will see this options. So it has shown some options that these words can be used. Suppose if I'll find that this word is okay, then I can click on copy and it will be corrected. I hope it is clear. Again, this delete, if I right click it here, you could see here it is giving the options delete, deleted, deletes. Then I can just select this delete. Now the other option, shortcut method, I have already explained. So either you can click on F7 shortcut key from the keyboard, or you can click on review tab, and under review tab there is one option, spelling and grammar. You can just click it. So it starts wherever the cursor is. So see, the spellings are already been selected, and you could see here on the right side the three options are coming: ignore, ignore all, and add. So it is giving me the option spellings, spellings, and this. So I can just select according to my need. So I can click on change, and even at the bottom I can listen, like so spellings. It will also show me how to pronounce the spellings, and I can click on change. And if I feel like that this word is been repeated plenty of times, then I can click on change all also. Ignore also I'll tell you, but just now I click on change, so it will be changed. Okay, see, spellings are okay. Now text. So it has told about text. Now it has marked the text. I can click change, and if I click on change, it will be changed. But one more item I want to tell you. Suppose I am writing the name of some person. Suppose I am writing here Kamlesh. Now I have written the name of some person, and now this word is not present in dictionary. So what will happen, that dictionary will think like that as this word is not present, this is wrong, and it will give the option. So firstly, starting from text, as I've left that side that time, so I can click on change. Now the other option Kamlesh, because this is the name and this is not present, and it is giving me the options here, but I know that this is not the option I have to select, so I can click on ignore. But if I have written this name plenty of times, then I can click on ignore all, so that whenever this name comes, it should not be marked for spell check. Or either the third option I can select add. What it means, that I want to add this name in the dictionary, in my built-in dictionary. So next time whenever this name comes, it will not give any red wavy line at the bottom. I hope it is clear to you. So this change and change all also I have told you. Change means only for one time to change, and change all if that word is been repeated plenty of times, like 10 times, 15 times, 100 of times, then also at one click I can change all the words. So I click on change. Okay. So now this option is clear to you. Now I'll go to the next option. Examples of grammatical errors. And I told you that whenever there are any grammatical errors, it will indicate it, or it will be indicated by the blue wavy line. Here it is written, I was there in the party. So according to built-in dictionary, it has been confused that it should not be there, this there. So it is giving the option here, you could see here, there, it should be there. So I can click on change and it is changed. Again, now Romil is the name, so I click on ignore, and will, it is showing that it should be this will. I can click on change. Now 71% of earth surface, here also inverted comma should be there, so I can click on change. The message will come, spelling and grammar check is complete, so I'll click on OK. So I have told you both the ways how to go ahead with spell check. Okay, I hope everything is clear, and if you feel like that my explanation is clear and you are understanding what I am saying, then please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon with the new tutorial.